Hey dummy, welcome back. Looks like you're trying to add some cool new commands for Lumia. Couldn't figure it out, and now you're here. Well, sit down, shut up, and pay attention. Now before we get started, you need to go over and watch my video, Lumia Overlays, the Ultimate Guide, so that you know how to set up an overlay and have your basic overlay already complete. I'll give you a second to do that. Now we're going to open up that overlay and make sure we add the media that you want to control via your commands. Select Add Layers at the top left. Select General. In this case, we're going to add a picture or fireworks. Select the media and resize it and position it to where you want. I don't have anything uploaded at the moment, so I'm going to select something from their list. Then rename it, that way you don't forget what it is and get confused later. You know how easy that is, dummy. And then make sure to hide the layer and click Save. Always click Save. Once you've saved it, we need to go over and create the command. Click on Commands, and then obviously at the top right, click Add a Command. Way to go, we're almost there. Rename your command. In this case, we're going to call it Fireworks. Pretty simple. Add a description so that your viewers know what it does. Now we need to click on Overlay Action if we want to adjust the overlay. We're going to select Set Layer Visibility, and then obviously select the overlay that we want to adjust, and then select Fireworks, or in your case, whatever you decided to upload. Now I don't know why this sounds kind of crazy, but make sure to click Set to Off. It sounds backwards, but this is the way the command works. Click Add Action. Now, you've told the command that when somebody uses it to set the layer visibility of the image you just added to show. Now we want to set a short delay so the image stays on the screen and then make it disappear. Go to the drop-down menu and select Delay. Set your delay to whatever you want, then click Add. Great, now you've added a delay. Now we're going to make the image disappear. Again, select Set Layer Visibility, then select your layer again, and select the image again. Except this time, we're going to leave the little checkbox empty. Click Add Action, and there you go. Click Apply, click Refresh. Congratulations, dummy, you've added a command. Now let's go test it. Head back over to your layer editor, and at the top right, you'll see Preview, which will open a web browser you can preview your alerts on. Once it's open, go back to the command list and click the test button next to your command. If it shows up on the screen, you did it correctly. Way to go, dummy! You did it again! Another Lumia tutorial complete. You're almost a master at this. Pat yourself on the back, dummy. Go buy yourself a cookie. Now there's a multitude of other things you can do when you're making commands, like TTS. You can select messages and use variables to customize it, change the voices and volumes. You can make custom messages in your chat using the chat bot option. You can also control plugs and lights using the plugs and key lights options like my gel blaster, plinko machine, and paintball guns. Want to make a command that times people out in your chat? Use the kick actions. Time people out, ban them, unban them. The possibilities are literally endless with Lumia, and if there's something you want to learn, drop a comment down below and I'll try and make a video for you. If you like what you've seen today, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below. Also, dummy, don't forget to check out our other videos and how-tos on how to set up Lumia.